Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about VirtualBox. So we are going to learn what are VirtualBox and we are going to learn about what are the popular VirtualBox available on the market, and also we will see how to download it or from where to download it and to install the VirtualBox. So first is, let's see what are these VirtualBox. So in order to answer this question, so we'll say VirtualBox is a free, open source, desktop virtualization software. So meaning, let's say you have, like in your desktop, you have Windows as your operating system. Now you need to practice Linux. So let's say you need to practice Oracle, or you need to practice Oracle Real Application Cluster, or you need to practice Postgres on Linux. So in all these cases, you need a Linux environment. So using VirtualBox, what we can do is we can have Linux environment running on your Windows desktop or laptop. Let's say this is your laptop. If you install VirtualBox on your laptop, you can provision or you can install Linux running on your laptop, and you can install your Postgres or Oracle or whatever it is. You can practice all these things over here. So now, what are the popular? First is this one. So we learned what is VirtualBox now. Next is which are the popular tools of or popular VirtualBox available in today's market. It is like you can say the most popular one is Oracle VirtualBox. So we are going to download Oracle VirtualBox, which is available, and then we are going to install the VirtualBox. We'll learn about this. So let's head on to the practicals. Open any of your browsers, and in the browser you can give Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox download. So you can you can directly download it from virtualbox.org. This is from here, or you can use Oracle VirtualBox download. You can click on this link. So depending on the operating system, you can select any of this. So mine is Windows. So I'm going to install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows. So I'm going to click on this. So it will download. So you can see that it's like 119 MB software. So once you downloaded it, you can double click on it. Once you double click, it will start the wizard. So you can see that welcome note from Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.2 setup wizard. So click next, accept the license agreement. Then you can install it wherever you want, either in the program files or any other location. So I will leave as is, click next. So you will get network interface. Ignore this one, so no need to worry about this. You can like proceed with installation now. Then it will ask you to, by default all these things are selected, leave it default settings, click next and click install. So it will take a few minutes. I will pause the video. uh, Once the installation is completed, you will get the finish wizard. But like I'm interrupting it because I already installed this one. Click on finish. So you will be getting a interface like this. So you have the wizard installation is completed. So in the next upcoming video, I'm going to share, like tell you how to install Linux and how to install CentOS 9 Linux on it, and make how to make use of it, and how to connect from PuTTY and all those stuff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe in case if you feel this is useful to you. Thank you.